All right, let's go check out my new trail that I've been working on making. Now it's a little bit of a rough hike, but let me tell you though, when you get up there, the view is totally worth it. Been working on cutting this trail out for days. There's the one part here where you have to bend down. All right. I like trying to keep most of the old twisted looking branches around. It gives character on the trail. But you see some of the old age. Took me a few climbs up here to memorize the trail so I know it like the back of my hand. Like this right here. Look at all this old, aged, twisted wood. It's probably been here for decades. Aged by Mother Nature and weather. We're nearly there. Well, about a quarter of the way at least. I wouldn't ask my dad to come up here because knowing him, this would be too rough of a trail hike for his knees. So that's why I'm just making this video, so I can show him this way. And we're coming up to my first rest stop. You can see the view getting higher already. And more old aged twisted branches. Okay, there it is. The little rest spot that I made. We're gonna take a break now. You can see here I made this tiny little rest bench. And now we'll take a break. And while we take our break, let's take a moment to enjoy the stillness of the silence of nature. You can see the sunset peeking through. All right, guys, we're back on the hike. Now we're near. Sorry, close call there when it broke. Now we're almost there to the amazing view that I'm going to show you guys. I gotta tell you, I had a lot of fun cutting this trail out. Oh yeah. Here's a preview of the view right here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That's not it yet. We have 2 points of view actually. Right here. And then, just give me a moment. And now, here it is. The highest point that I can go to up here. Now, look at that view. Huh? You can see clear to the other mountaintops from here. Like right there. And look at the start of that beautiful sunset. Woo! Oh, I love it up here. All right, well, yeah, that's my trail that I made. I hope you enjoyed this short nature walk video.